Good morning, everybody. This is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. It is Cast Iron Wednesday, and I'm doing the April challenge of breakfast in a cast iron. So come watch me make a bunch of omelets. Be right back. Okay, as you can see here, we have bacon, sausage, tomato, green pepper, onions, red onions, ham, and eggs. Now, of course, too, I also have American cheese, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese that's not shown here. Down there on the left-hand side, the guys have given me a list on everything that they want with their omelet. So let's get started here. This one's going to be a fun video. Okay, the first omelet is an everything omelet. Again, that's bacon, sausage, ham, green peppers, red onions, white onions, tomatoes, and all three cheeses, American, cheddar, and mozzarella. This is one of the biggest ones that I made. Quite a few of them ordered this everything omelet, including the last one, but the last one doesn't have cheese, and wait till you see what happens with that one. Alright, as you can see, I put the cast iron skillet on there, and I'm adding some bacon grease. Now, I didn't realize it at this time that I had my heat way too high. And of course, spread out all the egg mixtures. Make sure it gets all the egg cooked this way. Always stir in and cook up your, saute the meat and the vegetables together. Once that's done, pour it in. And then you flip it over. Well, of course, you have to put cheese in first. Sorry about that. Alright, the next omelet is a sausage, ham, red onion, tomato, and cheddar. Do everything the same exact way as the previous omelet. But this time, I turned the heat down a little bit more. You'll see at the end of this clip here how the egg is not as brown. Okay, now this one here, this was a fun one. But this is the everything omelet with no cheese. Again, you make it the same exact way as all the others. But wait till you see the end of it. season this. So guess what's gonna happen? You know my usual thing. Blooper alert coming up on comments. Yep. It will not stay in. But guess what? It still looked good.